On February 20, 2023, an officer from the Mcfarland Police Department saw a vehicle that was traveling in the middle of the roadway and then blew a stop sign.
Stay in the car!
Don't move!
Okay, I'm halfway out. What do you want?
Take my partner 33, he's trying to get out. Sit back in the car. Are there any weapons in the car?
Of course not. No.
Okay.
Nope, I'm home. No, dude, fuck this. I'm home.
Don't move!
No, I'm going
you get
inside.
tased. You get tased.
No, fuck that.
You get tased.
I'm in my parking lot.
You get tased.
Stop. No,
Sit
there's no
down.
need for this.
Sit down.
I'm home. I'm going
One at taser
inside.
point, he doesn't want to comply.
No.
Get
no.
down or you get tased. This does not feel good, man. Back in the car.
Dude, no, I'm home.
Don't fight it. Don't fight it. Don't fight it.
I'm already home.
Don't fight it.
I'm home. I'm already home.
436, one to take.
I'm already home. This is my apartment. This is dumb. There's no gum, no drugs.
Yeah.
Good job. There's no need for you. I love your badge, sir. Because you threw me into the ground. I'm already home. My car's off.
Do you need an ambulance at all?
I mean, no, but
Okay. I just want to make sure you're okay.
no, but I'd love to sit up.
No, you'll stay right there.
You'll get to that.
Oh, you guys what? No, motherfucker, you threw me into the ground. I'm already home. I'm already home.
Stand up for me.
Of course.
Thank you.
I'd love to at least put my phone's right there.
We'll get to that.
Great, at least my shoes. Thank you. No, fuck you guys.
We're gonna go over here to the front of my
Oh, I
squad.
bet. But no. I'm already home. No. Take these fucking cuffs off me. I'm already home. What the fuck is going on?
Where's your teeth?
Fine. But what the here? I'm home. You guys didn't.
Anybody else?
My car was off before you pulled up? No. That's my wallet. You got a nicotine. I think in my front left there, you pulled it out.
What's your first name?
Nothing. Because I was already with my car shut off in my fucking driveway. So this is bullshit. On big drugs.
We're gonna go take a seat in my squad for a minute.
I'd actually really like to go back inside. Yeah. Oh, right. Because that's what you guys want. Okay.
You have a
Take a
seat left arm?
Let's
Sit down.
I can. Yeah. Sounds great. I'm in my own.
I didn't want to tase him with that coat. It was so thick, so I just dumped him. I mean, charges from like 2015, but just some OWI stuff.
Alright. You want to do fields here, or?
Yeah, we'll do it here just since we have two here.
Yep.
Alright, this is how it's gonna go. If I take you out of handcuffs, will you do field sobriety for me?
No.
No? Okay.
Of course not. That's stupid. I would love my phone that's in my car.
So,
No, but I have a right to call my lawyer. Hold on.
get your
I
foot
have
out of the
a right
way.
to call my lawyer. I have a right.
He refused fields. Yeah. He is parked in a handicap zone, though.
Yeah, the only problem is
It's not placard.
signed.
Look at his ID. He's. Oh, is there? Cool.
Live here or no?
Yeah. All right. He lives on Spartan Drive, so it's somewhere here.
Oh, yep. There he is.
Is it open?
Yeah, there's a bottle right there.
Perfect. He must have. I could see that he was driving down the middle of the road on Broadhead,
Oh, yeah.
and then he passed me. He went in the middle of the UE, and then he blew through the stop sign. And by the time I got over here, he was already coming down. And then he's getting out, and he's like, "Fuck you! I'm not getting back in my car." So I pulled the taser out and headed at him. He's got that thick ass coat on.
Oh.
And I'm like, "Oh god!" I'm like, "Dude, this does not feel good." He's like, "Fuck you! I'm going inside." So I just. Just move that. Where was that?
They're like right next to it, kind of underneath that.
Oh, alright.
I'm at home. That is an unlawful search. I do not consent to that.
Open intox says I can search.
Ooh, right, fine. Either way.
Just lock her up. We're good.
Here, throw some of this back in.
Keys and phone.
Okay, you
I-
put everything back.
Everything else is in there.
Sounds good. You just want to do the informing thing, and then
Well, I'm gonna have to do warrant stuff and everything like that at the PD, so I'll just move that way. I'll do most of it in the Sally port.
okay, sounds good to me.
And if he wants to be multi, we'll just keep him locked in the car until
Yeah, I'm fine with
everything's done. Cool. Appreciate it, guys.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for stopping by. This will probably be a fun one.
I never consented to a search of my vehicle.
I said you don't have to, man.
Yes, I do.
Not when there's open intox.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So I'd like my cell phone, please, to call my lawyer. Right here, right now. No. You cannot take me anywhere. Sir, I know
You're
the
under
law.
arrest.
Let me call the judge that I know. Please, let me out of this fucking car. This is horse shit. This is horse shit.
8436 North Met PD zone.
Yeah, please try to do what you're doing. Let my car, that's my property, in my property. I live here. I live there. Christ. And I'd love to know your grounds.
It'll all be explained in the report.
Oh, no. You could explain it to me now, because if you actually had it, like, to stand on, you tell me now.
Well, to stop you for driving in the middle of the roadway, but then when I initiated a U-turn, you failed to stop at the stop sign, increase your speed to get away from me, Apply to my orders to stay inside the vehicle so I could speak to you about your driving behavior.
So when I got home,
Placed you under arrest.
I tried to get out of the car to go into my own apartment. That's
Right. That was a traffic stop. Okay.
No. You right there. You said I got out of the car when you told me to get in at my own apartment, where I live.
You were in the car. The violations occurred on a public roadway.
Well, I was parked in the parking lot of my own apartment.
Well, you made it
and
there.
And then you guys went through my car without my consent, which is not legal.
Called a search off of plain view.
Right. Yeah. Call it whatever you want.
It's a plain view
I need my
search.
phone to call my lawyer.
That will not happen.
Of course not. Why would you?
Because you don't have the right to UI process.
No. I have a right to call my own attorney whenever the fuck I want because I'm innocent.
That's incorrect.
4552.
4552.
You can have me to belt something. Get your guys one of the other
Dispatch
this
has
way.
been updated.
Well, I'm trying to go home.
Dispatch has been updated.
In my own goddamn lot.
4494 officers in you. 4415, something.
I need my cell phone to call my attorney.
It doesn't happen right now, man. It's not how this process
I was
works.
in my car, in my parking lot, with a car turned off before the lights came on
Right,
behind
but
me.
I observed you in the car.
Right. But by the time the lights came on behind me, I was already with a car turned off.
Matter.
Yeah, it does.
It doesn't.
Right. Well, so I need my phone to call an attorney.
It's not happening.
Of course not.
Under Wisconsin's implied consent law, I'm required to read this notice to you. You've either been arrested for an offense that involves driving or operating a motor vehicle while under the influence of alcohol or drugs or both.
Right, but you didn't.
Or you are the
arrest me
operator
after I was
of a
done.
vehicle that was involved that caused the death of, great bodily harm to, or substantial bodily harm to a person. Or you're suspected of driving or being on duty time with respect to commercial motor vehicle after consuming an
Suspected is the key.
This law enforcement agency now wants to test one or more samples of your breath, blood, or urine to determine the concentration of alcohol or drugs in your system.
Great, I don't consent
If
to
any
of
test shows more alcohol in your system than law permits while driving, your operating privilege will be suspended.
that. I do not consent to
If
shit.
you refuse to take any test this agency
Yes, I do.
requests, your operating privilege will be revoked and you'll be subject to...
Using because
The
it's
test
bullshit.
results or the fact that you refuse testing can be used against you in court.
Yeah, bet.
If you
Fine.
take all the requested tests, you may choose to take further tests. You may take the alternative test that this law provides free of charge. You also may have a test conducted by a qualified person of your choice at your expense. You, however, will make your own arrangements for that test. If you have a commercial driver's license or are operating a commercial motor vehicle, other consequences may result from positive test results or from refusing testing, such as being placed out of service or disqualified. In addition, your operating privilege will also be suspended if a detectable amount of restricted controlled substance is in your blood. The question is will you submit to an evidentiary chemical test of your breath?
No.
220.
No, I do not.
No. Okay.
I don't submit to any testing because, like I said, I'd love to talk to my lawyer. You guys are not in the right. I was with a turned off car when you actually stopped me. So you thinking I fucking sped off, whatever the fuck you thought. No. None of that is admissible. No. Thank you very much, but I'll wait till that's when I gotta wait till I get to get in touch with my lawyer or whatever. But no, up until then, until I talk to my attorney, you guys do not take a goddamn thing from me.
I'm going to have you get out and take a seat in one of our offices. Is that okay?
I'm not trying to run the without you guys take the cuffs off.
No, cuffs up. You haven't done anything but yell at me, so I can't.
Man, I'm not trying to yell. I'm just
I can't. Well, it's not.
Can you put a dicky?
No, I can't do that. Get you out? Are you going to be cool?
Yeah, I'll be fine.
Okay.
I'm not trying to be aggressive, man. I'm sorry. I don't mean to come across it. I disagree with what's happening.
Okay, I understand you disagree. I have a job to do, man.
I understand.
I have a job to do. If you don't agree with what I did, you'll have your day in your court where you can plead your case and say that I screwed up.
Fine.
But
You
as
pull
of
my case,
yes,
pull
I
my
can
police case.
I can get to that. Yes.
Thank you. That's all I have.
Slip. He said he'll sit in here and won't cause an issue. Yeah, it'll be third, yeah.
The suspect was charged with operating while intoxicated, third offense, resisting/obstructing an officer, and refusal to take test for intoxication after arrest. He was released on a $850 signature bond and charged $1,744 in fines.
Would you mind? Thank you very much.
Open door here to our left.
Yep.
We're gonna go straight, or second door on the right. I have some paperwork to do. As long as you're cool while you're in here, we'll switch into the cuffs when I come back and chat with you.
Yeah, I'm thinking a little loosened or anything.
Yeah, we'll switch into the front, okay?
Yep.